Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is my first of a new series of videos in which I'll be speaking both languages, uh, means English and Hindi and Urdu. Right, okay. Hindi and Urdu are almost the same dialect, and both language people understand each other. Okay, so, and uh, the purpose of doing is just to increase my audience, in fact. Okay, so clicking on the notes sheet brings a new form. This is going to show you this is a very good feature that when you click a sheet, it comes up with a form, right? So how we do it? Okay, the form ha has a list box in which the docs, different documents, and maybe a video file or Excel file or Word file or PowerPoint presentation or PDF or JPG or bitmaps or that they can be listed. And when they are clicked, their contents are shown, right? So this is the uh, simplest thing which we have discussed in a couple of our previous videos as well. But here we want to show you some very fascinating, very interesting things. Right? That is web form. Right. Once you click, when you select a selected file in that is shown in the web form. The web form is capable of showing all sort of the files, irrespective of what type they have, what they are shown. Right. So like this, this is the web form, and it is playing the video. It is at the one. We have removed the audio. We will uh, have you listen this wonderful video. It is in Urdu and uh, uh, means a great you say uh, praises of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala and the great dua, wonderful words and poetry. So we will show you in the end of our presentation. So this is one of the file which we have shown you by clicking on the list box. Okay. So let's add some more files using the naming convention file. Naming convention is very useful thing. If you follow the naming convention, so uh, this, this system is going uh, to prepare the flexi reports on the basis of the naming convention. So for this, we take you to the WhatsApp, and our WhatsApp, say you have a group of in which different transactions are being posted, and you want them to be used by this system, which we have shown you. Okay, so let's go to the transaction somewhere in April, by this one. Okay, April or May. Yeah, 30th April. Okay. So we download it, and as soon as we download it, this transaction. So the WhatsApp will use its own naming convention. We will change it uh, to fit to our own naming convention, right? So this is a Mizan Bank transaction, 2,200 rupees EVO bill paid, right? So now it is going to rename this as per our plan. So we will remove their uh, unnecessary parts for us. Yeah, and this is this this file name, only the date is relevant for us, right? And then we use the bank name, which bank is being, which is in the transaction, by which bank transaction is it? It's a Mizan Bank transaction, okay? Then we press space, and then we say whether it is a transfer or receipt. So it is a transfer. TRFR is our code. This is called naming convention. So you don't have to write everything just use the code transfer, TRFR, for debit transaction, and RCVD is for the credit transaction. So TRFR, so when TRFR means transfer of how many amount, how much, so 22,200 was the amount. So we will we will type 2,200. That's a space here, and 2,200 is written in here, and then we may write to whom we are sending. So it is PTCL. Uh, so PTCL is a communication company, and it has a charge. So here we are missing a keyword two. All right. So intentionally it is done. So we will see that what problem will come when you don't follow the naming convention. So this is a intentional violation of naming. So because the amount 2,200 is transferred to PTC. So keyword two is missing. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Now the next we go to the next transaction. There we do not make that mistake. We do it correctly. And this is the transaction. Okay, this is 880 rupees bill paid for SSGC. It's a gas company. It's a utility bill for the month. Okay, which is for the month. It has been paid through the Mizan Bank. Fine. So we do the same thing. So only this the user has to do it, uh, and while it is doing it, it is actually entering the data, and it becomes the part of the system automatically because you are following the naming convention. MEZN and space. So this is again a transfer. Transfer this. How much? 880 rupees. Okay. Two is the basic keyword. Okay. To whom? It is SSGC. Excuse me. And it's a monthly gas utility bill. Okay. Uh, let's make it say utility bill. It's more appropriate than we write utility bill. Just monthly utility bill. Okay. Okay. So suppose you have plenty of files, thousands of files, right? You have done it following naming conventions. Okay. So you move them, press Control X and take it to the docs folder. The doc folder is supposed to be exactly from where you are running the system. For example, and so you can name any name, but there has to be a docs folder. Okay, on the docs folder, underneath this folder, you have these now three files. Previously, there was one file. These two files are recently renamed to come up in our system. So, uh, there's no need to make any entry. The system will automatically make the report on the basis of your wonderful naming convention. Okay, only. Okay, so uh, these two files will appear once you take out and clear the cache. It means you have to come out from the note and get back here. So to see the latest refresh doc list, right? These are the lists, and there are now the three files. Now, you would like to filter all the transactions which are pertaining to the bank MEZN, that's our bank code, IBAN code for the Mizan Bank, right? And we press enter to get it filtered. Okay, so we press enter, so it is filtered, right? And now we press the fresh start here. This is actually initializing the Flexi reports. And now build the Flexi report. Click here and now see. Let's close it and go and see what Flexi report the system has written for us. Oh, wonderful. Only the one thing where the naming convention was not followed, or violated, there was error. So because the keyboard 2 before the PTCL is missing. So it's not that you just put 2 here, but rather there's a way of doing it. Is that put an X on A1 position. In the A1 cell, put an X, capital X, press enter. Now, if you click on it, it is going to open it. And, and now at this point, you can click this rename button and put and to put a 2. Now, this way you are making the correction and the correction successful. That's it. Now you go out from the system and come back again. You will see the 2 is placed on the browser file. Now do the same thing again. So this just not take it thousands of files you may have. And what a beautiful way that it is going to prepare on the report automatically, putting the amount in a right column, debit column, because the transfers are debit and received are credit, right? If there is any receipt, so we will in next video, we will show you that the further things, how the web form is coded and how all these things are done. So we explain it and you will make your own. But I will leave a link for you. You can download these files and try it and utilize it in your work. So it's a full-fledged system for flexi reporting, right? Uh, any sort of report you can make, and you can make the changes in the code and customize it, right? Uh, this is useful system. I hope you will find this system useful. And each line has support, documentary support. Uh, when you put an X on A1 and click also, and click on the page itself, it will displays you the document support. So this is the power of the naming convention. Naming convention, when it is followed properly and the users are trained, then you can get free from any complex coding or so. So the system will automatically make most of your work, reporting work, and all you need to do is just put the data and take the format, make the format changes. Now I'm going to take you to the video which and which I have skipped the voice of it. This is for our uh, Urdu and Hindi and people. They would love to it, and anybody who understands Urdu and Hindi, they would like to see this. Okay? So let me run it from here. No, please, let me stop it so that I play it. I'm going to play this. अल्लाह लेटे बैठे चलते फिरते शाम और सहर को अल्लाह अल्लाह लेटे बैठे चलते फिरते शाम और सहर हो अल्लाह अल्लाह اللہ 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 اے میرے داتا اے میرے مالک اے میرے مولا اے میرے والی شہر شاہ تو عالم تو ہے سب سے تیری سرکار ہے عالی شان تیری ہر آن نئی ہے گاہ جمالی گاہ جلالی وہ بھی عجب خوش بخت ہے جس نے قلب میں تیری یاد بسالی شغل میرا بس اب تو الہی شام و سحر ہو اللہ 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 لیتے بیٹھے چلتے پھرتے آٹھوں پہر ہو اللہ 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 قصد میں دنیا کے ہی راہ میں دین کی دولت کچھ نہ کمائی وقت یوں ہی بیکار گزارا عمر یوں ہی غفلت میں گنوائی خلق میں ہی سب سے برا ہوں کوئی نہیں ہے مجھ میں بھلائی مجھ سا کوئی بدکار نہ ہوگا اور سی میں نے کی نہ برائی شغل میرا بس اب تو الہی شام و سحر ہو اللہ 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 لیٹے بیٹھے چلتے پھرتے آٹھوں پہر ہو اللہ 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 ذکر تیرا کر کے میں الہی دور کروں میں دل کی سیاہی چھوڑ کے حب پانی ہو جائے چھوڑ کے حب مالی ہو جائے اب تو کروں بس فقر میں شاہی شام و سحر ہے رول مناہی میرے گناہ لامتناہی کس سے کہوں میں اپنی تباہی تو ہی میری کر پشت پناہی شغل میرا بس اب تو الہی شام و سحر ہو
اللہ 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 لے کے بیٹھے چلتے پھرتے آٹھوں پہر ہو اللہ 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 اللہ